make optimal use of ARIA, author should follow 5 rules of ARIA. Rule 1 says, do not use ARIA if the same semantic is available in HTML. So if you have to create a checkbox, use native input element with type as checkbox instead of using role as checkbox on the div element. Most of the HTML elements have native semantics that they convey to the screen readers. So the rule 2 says, do not change the native semantics unless you really have to, because ARIA may change the semantics and the meanings for the screen reader users. Rule 3 says all interactive controls must be usable with keyboard. What does that mean? ARIA roles add only semantic. To make it navigable and operable, it is your author's responsibility. So if you are using role equal to button on an element, you have to make it focusable with keyboard. And the user should be able to activate it with the help of enter key and spacebar in Windows. The rule 4 says, do not add role equal to presentation or ARIA hidden equal to true on focusable elements, because using either of these will result in user focusing on nothing. Accessible names are text used by assistive technologies to identify the element. So the rule 5 says all interactive elements must have an accessible name. If authors don't follow these rules, ARIA does more harm than good. That's why it is very common saying, no ARIA is better than bad ARIA.